Hello, I'm Matt Walton, the Associate Principal here at the Old Saybrook Middle School. Today I'll be explaining to you what the grade level individualized kits look like here at the school. This kit will house all student materials needed each day as they come to school and prepare for their school day. The kit will house materials that range from pencils to erasers to scissors. We'll get a look at those in a moment. But for right now, the idea is that we're using a kit so that there's no cross-contamination of materials. So now that you've had the opportunity to see all the supplies that the school will be providing for each of our kits, we'd also like you to know that you're able to bring school supplies in from home, remembering that they must fit inside of this box. The idea is that the materials will be used here each and every day at school. In the event that school were to close, the kits will be brought home and students will have materials needed to be successful to continue their learning process. Thanks for watching today's video.